Today we're going to give you a sneak peek on how we make one of our top selling products, Forever Bright. Before any batch is made, all raw materials go through extensive laboratory analysis to ensure the raw materials meet our stringent requirements for quality and efficacy. After the release of the raw materials from our laboratory, the batch's individual ingredients are weighed to meet quality requirements. We use 2 employees to weigh each raw ingredient to ensure and verify that each quantity is accurate. A compounding supervisor is present and required to verify the weighed materials. Once the materials are weighed and verified, the raw ingredients are combined in a mixing vessel following the formula's strict standard operating procedure. Fresh aloe vera gel that arrives daily straight from our very own farms is transferred to the mixing vessel where it is blended with other powdered ingredients. In a separate tank, a thickening agent is mixed and transferred to the batch to increase the viscosity. Flavoring ingredients are then added to the vessel to give our tube gel its fresh, minty flavor. After all the ingredients are thoroughly blended, samples are taken and sent to our laboratory to ensure the finished product meets specification. The laboratory analyzes the finished product to ensure that the product meets our quality specification and then releases the batch. Once the batch is released, the product is transferred to our fully automatic tube filler. This tube filler fills, seals, and lock covers the Forever Bright at a top speed of 170 tubes per minute. That's more than 10,000 tubes per hour. The tubes are then discharged from the tube filler where they are transferred to a robotic case pack. The robot packs 2 cases at a time, 36 tubes per case. After the cases are filled, the cases are inspected for proper case count, and random samples of each case are inspected for quality and weight verification. The cases are sealed, then lock coated and transferred to the palletizer. Once again, a robot is used to stack the cases onto pallets in a pre-programmed stacking pattern. Once the cases of Forever Bright are palletized, pallets are sent to the stretch wrapper, where it is stretch wrapped and labeled for shipping. And there you have it. That's how we make Forever Bright tooth gel. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you next time when I can show you some more secrets of how we make things here at